Looking for more ways to engage your students without adding more to your plate? Want to make social learning interactive and easy to remember? Everyday Speech's visual resources do just that. And the best part, you don't need to create a single thing yourself. From goal posters and skill icons to interactive tools and printable activities, these ready-made visuals were designed with you in mind to help students learn, reflect, and grow while saving you time. Let's explore how you can use them. Print and laminate skill icons to create a classroom language around behavior. Post them by the door as visual reminders, or have students hold them up to show what skill they're using. Or use them to build a social skills wall, one icon for each new skill you learned that week. You can find all of our skill icons under the teaching tools within each goal area. Goal posters aren't just decor, they're tools. Use one to start a session, wrap up a group by reviewing it together, pre-teach before a big transition like reviewing this being a good sport poster before recess, or possibly even staying calm before a test. You can even send them home to families so the language is used across settings to better promote generalization. Teach regulation in the moment with the emotion and solution choice bar. 2 simple questions: how are you feeling and what do you need? Use it as a morning check-in, a problem-solving moment, or a simple way to turn dysregulation into reflection. We all have big feelings sometimes. The problem scale helps students recognize that without shame. After a tricky moment, debrief. What was the size of the problem? How big was the reaction? Then talk through what could change next time. It's honest, reflective, and visual, perfect for students who need to see it to understand. Everyday Speech's social emojis are tiny tools with a huge impact. Use them to check in. Ask, how do you feel today? Or how do you think this character feels? And have them hold one up. They're perfect for morning meetings, group games, empathy practice, and more, and they make emotions tangible. Digital toolbox activities are great, but did you know you could also print them for hands-on learning? You can let students explore strategies physically, cut and laminate each one, and then have them build a personal toolbox. Revisit it regularly to figure out what's working and what's not. It's engaging, meaningful, and better yet, prepped for you. You can build social understanding with emergent learners with our sequencing activities. You print and cut them out to create a visual story and ask students to place the events in the correct order, then staple the pages into a mini book. They've just made their very own social story, and they'll be proud to reread it when needed. Everyday Speech's seasonal crafts and bulletin boards are also a great way to promote engagement while creating a class-wide understanding of the key skills you're teaching. From self-regulation to situational awareness, problem-solving to play skills, Everyday Speech visuals make learning stick. No DIY, no prep, just tools that work. So go ahead and print it, play it, or post it. We've got you covered. Happy teaching.